Did you know most complaints about construction sites aren't about what happens inside, but about how we park outside? I'm smart. Let's talk about parking smart, not just working hard. Every day, how and where we park affects more than just our own convenience. At Hartford Homes, we all follow a traffic management plan to keep sites running smoothly and neighbours on our side. First off, never park in a way that blocks driveways, footpaths, or access for emergency services. If you need to drop tools or materials, do it quickly and then move your vehicle to a proper spot, even if it means parking a bit further from the site. Be extra mindful on narrow streets and in busy residential areas. Avoid parking on grass verges or in front of anyone's home. Remember, how we act before we even clock in shapes our reputation. Most of your vehicles will have your company branding on, so be mindful always of how you are conducting yourselves. Carpooling is a simple way to cut down the number of vehicles and make parking easier for everyone. Talk to your team. Sharing a ride can save time, fuel, and stress. Never, under any circumstances, park illegally. Fines and complaints don't just affect you, they impact everyone on site and can even put jobs at risk. Be aware of how your parking might create hazards for pedestrians, cyclists, or other road users. So let's keep our parking smart and safe. Respect the rules, respect our neighbours, and help Hartford Homes maintain the highest standards on and off the site.